is the Prim's algorithm from here. For finding the MST using the Prim's algorithm, we'll start from an arbitrary root. Let's suppose the arbitrary root is here A. Means this is the basically it is a set of vertices and the set A. So this is the starting node here. Not at each step, what we will do, we'll find a light edge crossing the cut. What is the cut here? VA, comma V minus VA. Means set of vertices in the VA and the other rest of the set of vertices. So from that we will simply select a vertex, select a light edge. It may be possible like there can be several edges crossing that particular cut. So from that cut we only select the safe edge, the concept we have discussed in the previous lecture, and that safe edge will be the minimum weight edge. Then we simply add that edge to the set A for growing the set slowly. Now this process will be repeated until the tree spans all the vertices. Means we will have a spanning tree, and using this approach, that spanning tree will be the minimum spanning tree. Okay, so initially like we have started from the A, then this is the cut basically. So this basically vertex is in the set of vertices of the minimum spanning tree, that is VA. And these are rest all, mean these are V minus VA. So this is a cut basically here. Okay, means this is a cut, and these two edges are one end in the this vertex side and other end in the V minus VA, like this. So next, which edge to be selected? Like this was the situation. So what we need to do, we need to find a light edge crossing VA minus V minus A, V minus VA. So this is the cut, and we are having two edges here, that is AB whose weight is 4 and AH whose weight is 8. So this one is the light edge, so we select this particular edge here. Okay, so now the cut will be like this. Mean these two vertices are the set of vertices of the spanning tree, and these are the rest of the vertices. Means we simply add it here like this. Okay, so we can use basically here priority queue for the implementation purpose. So use a priority queue here that contain the vertices that not yet included in the tree, that is V minus VA. So from that priority queue, we will select the vertices. In that priority queue, the vertices which will be included, which are not included in the tree, that means that basically that contain all the vertices initially. So initially we simply insert all the vertices in that priority queue, and when according to the condition we simply remove a vertex from this priority queue based on the priority. So what can be the priority here? Because the priority queue, the elements are processed based on the priority of the element. In the case, the priority will be the edge weight here. Okay, so means we associate a key with each vertex V, and the key of V will be minimum weight of any edge U comma V, connecting V to VA. Okay, so that will be the key. So initially all the vertices will be in the priority queue, and all the vertices will have a key, and the key will be the minimum edge weight. So based on that, we simply find out or remove a particular vertex with the minimum edge weight from the queue, and that will be added into the vertex set of the spanning tree. Yeah. So now how to find the light edges quickly? What can be the process for this? So after adding a new node VA, we update the weights of all the nodes adjacent to particular this node. Like when simply we have added this node, initially this node was in the set. Okay, so the parent of this node is nothing because it is the root node. Now suppose when we added this node, then parent, if we simply denote it by pi, and parent of B will be A. Okay, and the other thing, that is the we can say key and edge weight, that also be that is distance part, that also be set after adding this particular node into the MHT set. अब कैसे करेंगे इसमें? So the key of V is infinity if V is not adjacent to any vertices in VA. So initially what we will do, we simply assign all the vertices except the root node the key that will be infinity. Okay, so this will happen like this. Initially this is the root node here, or the we can say in the beginning all these vertices will be in the priority queue, and in the beginning we assign its particular key, that will be 0, and others key will be some kind of edge weight there, that is the minimum edge weight. And when we simply extract the minimum value from the queue, then it will be extracted A, and this is, we can say, the distance from the root node will be initialized as infinity for all the rest of the vertices. So initially this is the condition 0, it is the distance of this particular node here, or we can say this is the key value here, and rest of the nodes will have infinity. Now the vertex set, that is for the MHT, will be initialized to null value, and now we'll extract a minimum value from the queue. So the key of B equal 4. This is the key of B, and pi of B will be A. When simply we add this node, like we can say the minimum age starting from this particular node is, it is 4 and it is 8. So this one will be selected and this B will be added into this vertex set. Okay, now when after adding this particular node in the vertex set, we simply change the key value of this node. So initially it was assigned infinity, then we simply change it to 4, and the parent of this node will be reassigned like pi of A. So this parent will this array basically will help us to finally printing the basically the MHT. So for every node except the starting node, every node will have a root node, parent node here. So the key of B is modified here, and what will be the logic for modifying the key of B? If the new key is less than to the previous allotted key, then the new key will be the key of that particular node will be changed. And its previous key was infinity, and the new key is this edge weight, that is 4. So this will be updated. And suppose ऐसा होता है कि यहाँ पे इसकी की होती 2 और ये है 4, तो इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होता, ना इसके पेरेंट में चेंज होता और ना ही इसकी की में चेंज होता. ठीक है. So after adding this, key of B will be 4 and pi of parent of B will be 8. Okay. Now key of H is 8 and pi of H is A here. Just a second. Okay, so the key of the adjacent node of this particular vertex node, the source node A, will be modified. So H की key भी modify होगी, B की key modify होगी, और इसका जो parent node होंगे वो भी modify होंगे. ठीक है. तो जो नोड हम हमारे प्रोसेस्ड जो हमारा वर्टेक्स सेट होगा, दैट इज फॉर द मिनिमम स्पैनिंग ट्री, उसमें ऐड होगा, उसके एडसेंट जो भी नोड्स उनके की और जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो मॉडिफाई हो जाएंगे. तो इनिशियली ए इज सेलेक्टेड एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द क्यू and it is added into the vertex set, so its neighbor nodes key and the parents value will be modified. So the neighbor node है इसका B और इसका neighbor node है H. ठीक है. So parent of B हो गया A और parent of H हो गया A. ऐसे ही इसकी जो की वैल्यू होगी वो होगी 4, इसकी की वैल्यू होगी 8. इनकी प्रीवियस जो की वैल्यू थी वो थी इन्फिनिटी. नाउ दिस इज द सिचुएशन हियर. तो क्यू के अंदर इनकी जो की वैल्यू है वो मॉडिफाई हो गई B और H की, और A यहाँ पे हमने ऐड कर दिया. अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, वापस दोबारा से हम इसमें से हम एक नेक्स्ट नोड एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, दैट इज विद द मिनिमम की वैल्यू. So as we can see here, the minimum key value node is 4. It will be extracted B. और इसके जो neighbor nodes हैं जो इस vertex set में नहीं है उनकी keys को हम यहाँ पे modify कर देंगे. ठीक है? How? Like this. So key of C it will be 8. ये पहले infinity था तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? The age weight 8. Okay. H अभी वर्टेक्स सेट में नहीं है यहाँ पे, बट इसकी इनका जो नया एज वेट है इट इज 11 और इसकी प्रीवियस की है H, तो ये मॉडिफाई नहीं होगा. कौन सी की मॉडिफाई होगी? केवल C की मॉडिफाई होगी. दैट विल बी 8 और उसका पेरेंट मॉडिफाई हो जाएगा. द पेरेंट ऑफ द C विल बी B. यू कैन सी हियर की ऑफ H 8 है और पाई ऑफ H A है, इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं किया है बिकॉज द ये जो नया एज वेट है इट इज ग्रेटर देन टू द प्रीवियस की. So there will not be change in this case. So the situation of the Q and the vertex set will be like this. The key of the C and H is 8, 8, and the vertex set of the minimum spanning tree contain the value A or B. Okay. So now what will happen? Again, we'll extract and vertex from this with the minimum key value. You can see here there is a tie in this. It means, what does it mean? Basically, it means we can have more than one minimum spanning tree by using this Prim's algorithm. Either we can extract the C, either we can extract the H. So let's suppose the minimum is extracted as C and the neighbor nodes of C are, which are not in this vertex set, उन्हीं की modify होंगी. That is D, that is I, that is F. Okay, so इसकी की हो जाएगी 7, D की, इसकी की हो जाएगी 4, इसकी की हो जाएगी 2 और इसका पेरेंट हो जाएगा C, इसका पेरेंट हो जाएगा C, इसका पेरेंट हो जाएगा C. So it is like this. C will be added. यहाँ पे हमने कर दिया. Pi or key of D is 7 and pi of D is C. Now key of F is 4 and pi of F is C. D के लिए, F के लिए, और key of I is 2 and pi of I is C. I के लिए key 2 and parent of I is C. So we have modified these. So this will be the status of the Q. Like the key of D is 7, key of F is 4, key of H is 8, and key of I is 2. Now which one? And this is the scenario of the vertices in the vertex set. So now which again a node will be extracted from this particular queue with the minimum key, that is 2. So I will be extracted from here. I will be extracted, and the neighbor nodes of the I, or we can say adjacent nodes of the I, which are not in this vertex set, those key will be modified if the condition satisfied. So I का neighbor node कौन सा है यहाँ पे? We are having the H as the I neighbor node. इसकी की है 8. And the age weight in between these is 7. So it will be modified as 7 and its parent of H, it will be I. Like this. ठीक है? ऐसे ही the key और इसकी जो infinity है, so it will be modified as 6. Just look at this. Key of H will be 7 and pi parent of H will be I, and key of G will be 6 and parent of G will be I. Okay, and I will be added as a node in this vertex set as MST. So we will have here this is the situation of the Q and this is the situation of the vertex F of the MST. Now we'll again select a node with the minimum value, that is it is F here. F will be selected and F's neighbor node which are not in this set key will be modified. तो उसके नेबर नोड हैं G, C, D, E. C प्रोसेस हो चुका है, C यहाँ पर है. So the key of G, key of E, key of D. अच्छा, key of G is 6. Before it was modified when the इसका parent है I. So it will be modified by 2. It will be 2 and parent of G will be F. ऐसे ही इसकी की modify होगी 10 और इसका parent हो जाएगा F. इसकी 14 है, यहाँ पे कोई change नहीं होगा, ये ऐसा कैसा रहेगा. So after this, processing this particular node, you can say F will be added in the vertex set. Okay, and its neighbor nodes key will be modified. So this will be the situation here. Key of G equal to pi of G equal F. Key of D equal 7. ये पहले को change नहीं होगा. Key of E will be 10 and parent of E will be F. and this is the status of the queue. Now from here, the next minimum key value node is G. It will be extracted from the queue and it will be processed. जब इसको process करेंगे, but we are processing G. तो G ये है और G के नेबर नोड I को प्रोसेस नहीं कर सकते, F को नहीं कर सकते, एक ही नोड बचा ये H. इसकी की है 7 और G से इसकी जो की मिल सकती है वो मिल सकती है 1, सो इट विल बी मॉडिफाइड और उसका पेरेंट हो जाएगा G. यहाँ पे केवल एक ही मॉडिफिकेशन होगा, ओनली 1. तो ये मॉडिफिकेशन हुआ की ऑफ H इक्वल 1 एंड पाई ऑफ H इक्वल G, मीन पेरेंट ऑफ H इक्वल G. Now this is the status of the queue and this is the status of the vertices in the MHT set. MHT vertices. So now the minimum key value is H. It will be extracted here. We will extract it from here and we'll process it. So all the nodes which are neighbor to this node have already been processed. Processed means they have already added to the vertices of the MHT. So कोई भी change नहीं होगा इसमें. ठीक है. Now we will select here another. अच्छा, H process हो जाएगा तो this will be the status of the queue and it will be added here. Now we'll select a minimum key node, that is D here. So we'll simply extract the D. Okay, this is the D and its neighbor node is C, F and E. C or F have already added in the MHT set. So E's the key will be modified because the age weight in between the D and E is 9 here. So it will be modified. So key of E will be 9 and parent of E will be F. Okay, so all the vertices have modified and only the E is left there और इसका ये extract किया, इसके neighbor node सारे process हो चुके हैं, so it will be added into the this. So basically this will be the minimum spanning tree using the Prim's algorithm, like A, B, B, C, C and I, C, F, F, G, G, H and C से D or D से E. So this will be the MHT using algorithm. अब हमने इसको implement किया है using the priority key, so it will affect the basically complexity of the algorithm here. So this will be the algorithm. तो हमने क्या किया था इसमें? Initially the priority key is initialized with null value. And after that, we have initialized the priority queue, means for each vertex, key of every vertex is initialized to infinity and parent of every vertex is initialized to 0. तो ये सबसे पहले किया हमने, सारे नोड्स की की को तो infinity कर दिया और सारे नोड्स के पेरेंट्स की वैल्यू को nil कर दिया और हमने पर्टिकुलर सारे नोड्स को क्यू के अंदर इंसर्ट कर दिया. Now after this iteration, the queue will have all the vertices with the key value infinity and the parent value null. Okay, so this is the step. Now this is the operation, decrease key operation. So decrease key operation ये वही है जैसे हमने पर्टिकुलर किसी नोड की को डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं, जैसे हमने प्रायोरिटी क्यू के अंदर किया था, उसकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी log of v थी. तो डिक्रीज की ऑपरेशन किसके लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं? वी आर अप्लाइंग इट फॉर द रूट नोड, जिसको हम रूट इसमें इनिशियली एज्यूम करके चल रहे हैं. तो वहां से इसका हम MHT क्रिएट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. Now the loop will start from here while the queue not equal to null. जब तक कि queue null नहीं हो रही है. So do extract the minimum value from the queue. तो हमने queue में से minimum value extract की यहाँ पे. And after extracting it, what we will do, इसके जितने भी neighbor nodes हैं उनकी keys को check करेंगे और उनको modify करेंगे. So for each v that is adjacent to you or the neighbor of you for every vertex v. Do if v belong to q means वो q में होना चाहिए, मतलब MHT के vertex set में नहीं होना चाहिए, वो q के अंदर होना चाहिए. अच्छा, and the other thing is weight from u to v must be less than the key of v. एक तो q के अंदर होना चाहिए वो और दूसरा उसका जो key है that will be less than to the age weight in between that particular both the vertices. Okay, and if it is so, then the parent of v will be u. And what we will do, we simply modify the key of that particular node by the decrease key operation. So this operation we are passing q, v and age weight. So इस particular vertex की जो key है, it will be modified by this. ठीक है, in the queue. So this is the algorithm, and the process goes on till the queue becomes empty. Now let's talk about the complexity analysis of this particular algorithm here. So this is the decrease key operation. It will require here basically what we can say log of v. So जो decrease की operation था, as we are implementing it with the priority queue, so it will require O of log v time. Log v is the number of vertices. ठीक है, तो जैसे कि यहाँ पे जो हम इसको क्यू की फॉर्म में प्रायोरिटी क्यू की फॉर्म में इसको वो करेंगे यूजिंग द मैक, ये वी विल implement it with the help of the min heap basically here. Okay, so that we can extract the minimum value. तो उसमें जो ट्री की हाइट है उस अकॉर्डिंग जब डिक्रीज की ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करते हैं तो ये कॉस्ट वहां पे कंज्यूम होता है. ठीक है, नाउ this one, it will have a constant value O of 1. This will execute for we can say each vertex of the particular graph. So it will require around O of v if Q is implemented as a min heap basically. O of v means according to the number of vertices in the particular graph. So it will require O of log v. हटा देता हूं मैं. O of v, O of log v. Now this will require a constant time, that is O of 1. तो इसको कंसिडर कर नहीं रहे यहाँ पे हम. अच्छा सॉरी, नो नॉट O of 1, बेसिकली इट इज अ लूप हियर. ठीक है, तो एक बार देखते हैं इसको कब तक चलेगा. इट विल एग्जीक्यूट अराउंड सारे वर्टेक्स के लिए है तो v टाइम्स एग्जीक्यूट होगा यहाँ पे. दिस वी आर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग द मिनिमम वैल्यू फ्रॉम देयर. तो एक्सट्रैक्शन में जो मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने का वो था कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी मिन हीप के अंदर, दैट वाज O of log v. नाउ फॉर ईच वर्टेक्स एडजेसेंट टू यू, तो यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, हर एक वर्टेक्स के लिए जो एडजेसेंट वर्टेक्स है उनको चेक करेंगे. तो दिस विल कंट्रीब्यूट अराउंड O of v टाइम. मीन वी विल चेक फॉर एवरी एडजेसेंट एज, सो इट विल टेक अराउंड O of e टाइम्स बेसिकली. अच्छा, ये इसके ये आउटर लूप हो गया, ये इनर लूप हो गया. तो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी हियर विल बी, इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन देखें देन इट विल बी O of v log v. ठीक है, now let's come to here. If v belong to q, this will be a constant, this will be a constant here, and decrease की operation again, so it will take O of log v time. ठीक है, so ये भी इसके अंदर यहाँ पर है लूप में. so इन दोनों को अगर मिला के देखें, ये इस लूप के अंदर है, so it will take time around we can say O of e log v. ठीक है, अब हम इसको सम अप करके देखें, then the total cost will be O of v log v plus O of v log v plus e log v. So this is the total time requirement and we can write it like O of log v. अभी log v हम यहाँ पे कैसे कर रहे हैं, like suppose it is a very dense graph. जैसे हम यहाँ पे देखें, suppose we are having a graph like this. So in the dense graph, the number of edges will be very high as compared to the basically the number of vertices. So like number of edges can be this, and two-way edges can be possible here like this. So in a dense graph, basically what will happen, the number of edges will dominate the number of vertices. So this will be high, so the complexity will be O of e log v. Okay, and this is the analysis. One minute. Okay, now this is another other thing, like if we simply implement this operation using the Fibonacci heap, so we will not go what is the Fibonacci heap is. The time complexity will be reduced by using the Fibonacci heap. So it will be like in the binary heap, it is O of log v for the extract min and decrease key operation O of log v. But in the case of Fibonacci heap, the decrease key operation will be O of 1. The total contribution in this case will be O of v log v plus e, and here it is O of e log v. So that can be improved a little bit if we simply use the Fibonacci heap in place of the binary heap. So the Prim's algorithm is a greedy algorithm, and the greedy algorithm finds solution based on a sequence of choices which are locally optimal at each step. So what we are doing, we are simply just finding the edges with the last edge weight and finally adding those vertices into the our vertex set. Okay, but the Prim's algorithm strategy finally produces the minimum spanning tree, or we can say the global optimal solution.